Okay, right now we are listening to Alpha Wolf Black Mamba. Let's go right into it. It's only gonna get heavier from here, guys. It's only getting more insane.
Everybody wants to talk, but they never listen. Black faces seeing every fucking thing through tunnel vision. You turn your back, your skin like ice. Then down eyes shut, blood breath suffocation.
Damn. A lot of blood. A lot of freaking blood. Oh, that song was freaking awesome. Alpha Wolf. Oh, yeah. Lone Wolf. If there was a band called Lone Wolf, that would be freaking awesome. I like it. Alpha Wolf. Perfect name for a band. It's just perfect. We better look up the rest of these songs from this band. I love that name. That band name is perfect. Anyway, onliners, that was insane. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe if you're not new, and stay tuned for more, because there's plenty more to come. We're just getting started from here. There's plenty more crazier songs to come. Stay tuned, onliners, and stay awesome.